The video today we have the 3-day huge Black Friday sale, the spring Black Friday sale from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make material review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. All right, let's go ahead and get started with this. Pretty much, you guys have been around my channel. You guys been, through these parking lot sales from, or 3-day sales from Harbor Freight. I do have a bunch of videos from back in the day when I started the whole YouTube type of thing, Toolhead 147. If you guys want to look at what a parking lot sale is like, you guys can go back to those videos. Just put Toolhead 147 parking lot sales up on the search section of YouTube. I'll see if I can link a few of them up here on the right. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So pretty much sneak preview, you got Inside Track Club membership. Yeah, if you guys are on the Inside Track Club memberships, you guys will get early access. I personally don't care. I could just, Friday is fine. I don't care. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's not that the tools are going to go away anyways. So everyone saves Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. April 9, 10, and 11. So it is a 3-day event for the rest of us. You got a Portland 7 amp pole saw for $59.99. This is a nice pole saw. Definitely recommend it. If you're a DIY, you got a few trees here and there. Just keep in mind this is a great item, but you do have an extension. You have to carry an extension cord all the way around the house. You got the 44 by 22 double bank strip cabinets, $449.99. It's pretty good. It's not a bad deal. $499. It's not the best. We seen these guys for $399 back in the day. Obviously, we're not going to see those prices again because of the, what happened around the world. We got this winch, 12,000 truck SUV winch, Battle and Apex. These are one of the best winches from Harbor Freight. I heard nothing but good things about these. So $499 on sale from $599. Guys, the jacks from Harbor Freight are the best jacks ever. Definitely check them out. You got the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy duty floor jacks, $89.99. You got a 5,000 lumen 4 feet LED shop light, $17.99. It's a nice shop light there. Got a pressure washer, $79.99. You got a 2,000 psi electric pressure washer, $149.99. This is a little better than this one. It does have the reel and all the accessories, a little cart. You got a 72 by 80 moving blanket, $5.99. A 130-piece toolkit, $29.99. This is good for if you're having a junkyard little kit. If you leave it, if you let somebody borrow it, carry it on the back of the type of emergency situation type of thing. 2 horsepower gas powered earth auger, $199. You got a closeout special 30. These are always been $39.99, so it's not the. All right, get an extra 10% off. Hundreds of unvised specials. All right, something that they didn't put here is that, let's see if we can have another picture here. Oh, this is not the same picture. Yeah, this is not the same picture that I got online. I'll see if I can post that up. But on the picture I got online, it seems like we're gonna have a parking lot sale. If you guys don't know what a parking lot sale, a 3-day sale, whatever you want to call that, it's pretty much all the clearance deals that Harbor Freight has, the as-it-is items. They're gonna run, I believe, 50% off. Let me just double check here. I have the picture here. I know I have it somewhere. All right. See, this is not the one that I have. It's weird. Yeah, this is not the picture I have. So, Friday they're gonna have 50% off. Saturday they're gonna have 60% off, and Sunday they're gonna have 82% off. Liquidation, basically final day, plus closeout specials. Yeah, these closeout specials, these as it is items. The best day to go on those items, they have a table either outside or inside the store with all the orange and what is purple tags. Well, all the orange tags are about 50%, usually about 50% on Saturday, but you have to go early in the morning because you have to, obviously you're gonna get better selection. But or you could go Friday and look at whatever they have, and then just go Saturday right at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. whenever they open the store. So definitely check it out. It's worth it. I've gotten, compressors. I've gotten generators, pressure washers, all kinds of stuff on those days. So be sure to check it out. Anyways, that's it for today. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one.